Kaizer Chiefs sporting director Kaizer Motaung Jr. has made his feelings clear on the links with Bafana Bafana forward Oswin Apolis. The Amakos have been busy in the transfer window bolstering their squad for a new coach, Nazarene Nabi, who recently revealed the club are still in the market for a striker and a winger. Polokwane City's Apolis has been the name on everybody's list, especially after netting a praise Bafana Bafana's 3-2 win over South Sudan on Tuesday. Motaung spoke highly on the rise and shine attacker and revealed they would love to have him at the club. What can I say about Apolis is I don't know any club in the country who wouldn't want to sign Oswin, sporting director told Robert Marawa on Radio 947. We know we need to get the best talent to achieve our goals, and what I can say, he's a top player and we are working tirelessly to bring top players to the team. We'd love to have him. We've had talks with the chairman of Polokwane City, not only about Oswini, other players also. It's a process that is ongoing. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Bye.